Yo, what's up boys? I'm back with another video, and there's no moto vlog, nothing today, and it's about the unboxing of my GoPro Hero 7. Yes, I bought one, and I got it from Flipkart for about 28,000 rupees, and yeah, I didn't want the GoPro 8 because it was kind of out of my budget, so why not? I really didn't think I would make an unboxing video of this one, but then I mean, like, why not, dude? Like, I'm gonna make it. Like, I don't care. So we have some paperwork, passport program. No idea what that is. Let's just keep that aside and let's open that. I'm gonna rip that open. There we go. And yeah. I'm gonna pull this thing out. There we have the GoPro right there. Out of the box, it doesn't. It looks good. There's nothing wrong with the GoPro. It is all fine, I guess, at least. And yeah. I mean, GoPros are really the best in quality. Like, out of all the action cameras, I think GoPros are the best. Let's just take that out and yeah. There we have the GoPro out. Let's just get into the box right now. Looks really good, man. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. Hopefully it works properly. Yeah, I mean, I love GoPros. Like, literally, GoPros are so good. Like, it's good for video and also photos, so why not? Okay, so let's open this box right now. Okay, you get a couple of papers. This one to open how the housing of the GoPro, and some kind of questions, and I guess a user manual. Yep. So there we have all our accessories with it. That's the 32 GB SD card and also the adapter. That's good. And that's a rechargeable battery. One of them. Looks good. And there's another one. Okay, that's the shorty that we get with the special bundle. It's really good to take photos or time lapses. It's really good. It's really useful, you know. There we go. Let's just keep that aside. And this is just the mount. You only get one mount with the special bundle, so yeah, I have to live with that. And a GoPro wire, a charging cable, I mean. And yeah, that's it. Now getting onto the GoPro, it looks good. Let's just remove the housing over here. It's pretty tight actually. I always have issues with opening that housing, you know. It's just so tight. I used to use my friend's GoPro, so yeah, that's how it went. That's the GoPro without the housing. Nice. Let's put in the battery and the memory card and let's just turn on the camera. The battery goes like that, and yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what happened was both of the batteries didn't have any charge, so it didn't switch on the GoPro, so I had to stop the video right over there. Hope you guys like the unboxing videos, and there's a lot more moto vlogs to come, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.